Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to activate Ethio Telecom SIM card, and you can see this official web page Telecom, and don't worry, we'll provide link in description. And also this are supported phones or Ethio Telecom. Now back to the question, how to activate Ethio Telecom SIM card. The first step would be insert SIM card into your handset, enter your PIN if requested, and then dial 989 to activate your prepaid service and follow instruction. Now you will activating your SIM card. If reach out their support via chat box or by going to the top part of the page. And I hope guys this video helpful for you, and then please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video. And any question guys, comment below section, and I will be happy to answer your question.